So after about a week to 2 weeks, I finally got the part that I need, the oil filler cap, to replace this leaky one. So let's get started and replace it. Shouldn't take too long at all. Just a twist and a pull. And let's see, get the sock out. All right. Okay. I found these. It's not my tool set, it's my dad's, so that's my excuse for not being prepared. There we go. That's it. What's ironic is that's the whole reason this thing is pinched on the sides, whoever put it on the mechanic glass. So a little closer look where they took pliers or something and pinched it. That's where the oil was leaking out of. At least that's what I think it is. So here's the new oil filler cap. There's the O-ring, it's already on it. I figured it might come separate in the package and I'd have to put it on, which can be a little difficult sometimes, stretch it out and whatnot. But yeah, looks like a thick plastic oil filler cap. Take the sock rag, clean off around it. I'll definitely need to put some more transmission fluid in here, because it is about leaked out. There ain't even enough, there isn't any enough just about to put on the O-ring here. It's not going in, you know, doing it straight or whatever, it'll go in and then start leaning to one side or the other and then get tight. So obviously this isn't going to work. So darn it. So I'm gonna have to just get on Kioti. So that's aggravating. Apparently the oil cap won't work. It's just either the threading's messed up or it's too big by like a millimeter or something. So that's one reason you need to make sure on the model of equipment that you have and the parts number and all of that stuff, because it's really disappointing. But oh well, I just have to get on Kioti or Kubota and see what I can find. Thanks for watching.